So the big news from last week, the Federal Reserve raised the rates 75 basis points and is trickling down. Today, the mortgage interest rate is at 7%. And my buyers are thinking, will these rates ever go down? Because I want to buy a house, but I'm kind of scared. So in this video, I am going to go through the numbers with you, and then I'm going to tell you what it means. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so first off, let's find out what people are really scared about. Look at this table. I've compared mortgage interest rates from January of this year right through to September. So where you started with a 30-year fix at 3.7, we're now at that 7% line. For the 15-year fix from 2.85 to 6.5 now, 30-year jumbo 3.44, now 5.9%, and the 30-year refinance went from 3.81 in January to now 7.36. So that's what people are looking at. 6 months ago, I could get a 3%. Why do I have to pay 7% now? It really impacts my ability to purchase because it will affect my monthly payment on this loan. So that's what everyone is kind of concerned about. And I also wanted to take a look at historically how high interest rates have been. So take a look at this next graph. And back in 1982, you're looking at a recession where interest rates were as high as 18%. And there was another one in the early 90s where it was up to 11%. So from a historic standpoint, the 7% that we're looking at right now is not as significant, but the question is it going to get that high? Most experts are saying that yes, they will probably raise rates again, so expect the numbers to keep going up. And so that's what buyers should keep in mind, that we don't know what the future holds. The interest rates will probably go up. Eventually it will go down, I'm sure of it, but when, we don't know. Should this really hinder you from making an investment for you and your family, especially if you're renting and especially if you can afford it? When you look at it, if the interest rates do go down in the future, then you can always refinance at that point. So the bottom line is, yes, interest rates will continue to rise. Some experts, including Fannie Mae, is expecting a recession well into the early 2023, early of next year. And then it will be a while before those rates start going down again. So keep that in mind. Nothing is set in stone. But if you have any questions, please reach out. I would really appreciate it. But that's it for this week. Until next week, please stay safe.